Hey yo, what's good? What's happening? Quick quick announcement. I'm planning on making a game. This is kind of part and parcel of the thing that I'm creating a game engine. However, I'm using Godot as like the base or whatever. I don't know how else to explain that, but I've realized that I don't really know how Godot works, but I'm trying to create something that makes using Godot easier almost, or uses the functionality of Godot, but in a more easily communicatable language. And at the moment, it's very easy for me to create a 2D platform game using my new game engine. But now I'm thinking I want to be able to do a lot more complicated things. I want to create like coins, a point system. I want to do a whole bunch of things. In which case, in order for me to do that, I need to understand how to use the platform. Now, another thing that I've also come to realize is the fact that I enjoy creating games as well. Like I do enjoy the art of creativity and making something other than just making the tool. I also like using tools to create other things. I like making games, and I had an idea of a game to make. So I don't know if some of y'all remember a game called Bounce. It's an old game. It used to be on a Nokia 3310. I think it was. You know what? Let me share my screen. I'm gonna share my screen with you guys. I just want to show you this. This is gonna be insane if I manage to get this right. I think it's gonna be this one. Am I sharing sound? I don't think there's any need for you guys to have the sound permeating through there. So no. Nokia Bounce. All right, let's see if this gives. Yeah, this is pretty much it. This is pretty much it. This is the game. Now I'm going to make it 3D. I'm going to make it 3D in a 3D world. I have no idea how I'm gonna do it. It's going to be a lot of vibe coding. There's like there's just going to be a lot. I'll be trying to record my journey through as I try to make it. I'm going to try and have my girlfriend play the games, and then like give me feedback. I'm gonna try actually what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try and pull my girlfriend in for a lot of things. I'm gonna try and have her like use the game engine that I'm working on to see if she can make anything with it. Her not having any prior game dev experience at all, um definitely considerably less than me, and I don't even have that much anyways to begin with, other than like game asset designing and like just creating games on like Click Team Fusion and a little bit on Blender when Blender still could make games. So yeah, that, and then I'm gonna have her use the video editing system and software that I created. I'm gonna have her make some videos on that and then get her feedback on it and just see like that. I think it's gonna be fun for me to do that. And now I'm gonna have her play this game as I make it, and then maybe get some commentary. You guys can get some commentary from someone else who's not actually making the game. But yeah, so this is Bounce. I don't know if y'all remember this game, man. This is oh man. I see like there's other things here. This doesn't look very familiar at all. This doesn't look familiar. This looks familiar. This looks familiar. The one that I was speaking about is it's not this one. Was it on the 3310 or is it like on the other because that's a 3310, right? 3310. The game that I'm thinking about. Oh, I also used to have that phone actually. Crazy. Um bounce. I actually you once made a bounce replica kind of game with a hedgehog. It wasn't a hedgehog, it was something that I drew and designed. It was like a turtle with spikes on its back. A turtle with spikes on its back. And then you'd have to like try and eat these things. I created a whole bunch of things, but I lost that game. And now I'm very happy to know I'll be able to kind of recreate that game, but like I'm going to recreate Bounce, but in 3D space. I have no idea how I'm gonna do it. I know I'm gonna be vibe coding. I know I'm gonna be using Godot, um, and I'll try and mix. So it won't be fully vibe coded. I think there'll be a bit of me like learning GDScript. I think it's called. And you guys get to follow the journey. I'm not finding it here. Maybe I should just Google it. Google images. Paste search. Is it this one? I think it is this one. It is this one. It is this one. I just couldn't recognize it because like it was so big. But yes, it is this one. It is this one. There was one where it was just black and white. It wasn't black and white. Just let's say it's just black and white. Um, and that one I think was on a very, very much. There it is. This game over here. This was my first time playing Bounce, and then from this kind of device, I moved on to this Bounce, which I think a couple more people will be familiar with on this phone as well. I used to have this phone as well, so I'm excited. This is all. That's it. That's it. This is just an announcement that I'm working on a game. It's going to be Bounce, but in 3D, in a 3D environment. I don't know how I'm going to set it up. I mean, I guess this is kind of like similar to the idea that I kind of have. Let's just see what they have. Something similar to this, I guess. I guess I wouldn't want to like duplicate someone else's game if they already have it. And this is gonna be a bummer. You guys are watching this live. You guys are gonna see me lose hope live. Um, Gameplay video of Bounce Boeing Voyage for the new Engage platform. Okay, loading. Use A to jump. I guess it is going to be very similar to this actually. My idea of the game is going to be very similar to this. Hmm. I mean, I guess it's great that someone else has already done it, but I guess I'll just be seeing how I can improve on it, what I can change about it. It is going to be a little bit more. I don't know. Anyways, it's gonna be fun. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm still gonna do it. I'm still gonna start to do it, and maybe it'll evolve to something else. Maybe it won't be Bounce anymore. Especially, I'm a little bit more discouraged now that I see that somebody else has already kind of created it. I don't want to just like create a duplicate of something that they've already created, but I might just put my own spin on it, create my own version of it. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. The idea might evolve as we go along. The path of creating this game. But let's go. Let's go. That's it. That's it. I'm gonna create Bounce. That's all I wanted to say. I'm gonna create Bounce. It's gonna be fun. Peace.